until 9 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time Wednesday. This is a particularly dangerous situation. What? East winds 30 to 45 miles per hour with gusts in excess of 70 miles per hour are expected. Wind gusts as high as 98 miles per hour near Farmington, Centerville, and the mouth of Weber Canyon have been reported this morning. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Where? Salt Lake and Duella Valleys and northern Wasatch Front. When? Until 9 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time Wednesday. Impacts. High winds may move loose debris, damage property, and cause power outages. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. The most impacted travel routes are expected to be along the I-15 corridor between Salt Lake City and Layton, the Legacy Parkway, the US-89 corridor in Davis and Weber counties, and Foothill Drive. Additional details, stay inside. Flying debris and numerous falling trees may be deadly. People are urged to secure loose objects that could be blown around or damaged by the wind.